Hey y'all, FAFSA girl. You know how on the FAFSA they ask you to report your housing plans when you add a new college or university? Well, you have three options, right? On campus, with parent, or off campus. That has a very significant meaning when your FAFSA is being processed. Financial aid specialist will use these selections in order to determine your financial aid budget. Now, everybody has a financial aid budget. This is the amount of financial aid dollars that you can receive in one school year. That includes Pell Grant, state grant, any institutional grant, any scholarships, and federal or third-party student loans. Now, if you select off campus, that will give you the highest financial aid budget because it implies that you're not living with your parents and that you're not living on campus. So you're probably paying the highest cost of living. So off campus will give you an independent student budget, even if you are dependent on the FAFSA. Now, if you select that you'll be living with your parent, that will give you a dependent student budget, even if you are independent for FAFSA, because that implies that your parent will help with living expenses. And if you select on-campus, it depends on the cost of living for your on-campus housing. Now, it is possible to get the maximum Pell Grant and the maximum state grant, and even maximum federal student loans with a dependent student budget. However, if you're applying to multiple scholarships and multiple sources of additional financial aid, like other types of grants or student loans, this may affect you, because you cannot be awarded financial aid beyond your annual financial aid budget. Follow me for more tips on how to apply for FAFSA and other types of financial aid.